Okay, so to finish up question 4, yes, his estimate is reasonable. Because he says if that would buy enough flashlights for 560 campers, and what we figured out too is it would be close to buying enough for 600 campers, so that would be enough. Let's go on to questions 5 through 7. We're going to use compatible numbers to estimate the quotient. So again, we're thinking through our number that we're dividing here and thinking through multiples of that number to help us out with having some more friendlier numbers that are easier to compute. So 33 divided by 3. If we think through 33, actually, if you know your multiplication times tables up to 11s, you should know the answer to this one. But if we think through 30 divided by 3, 33 is close to 30, isn't it? And 30 divided by 3, should know that one. But if you don't, here's a basic fact to help you out. 3 divided by 3 is 1. And then we have 1 0 there from 30, and that would be 10. Okay? That would be our estimate. But if you really know this one, what number times 3 would give you 33? It would be 11. Number 6, 352 divided by 7. When I'm looking here at 352 divided by 7, if I see that 35 right there, 35 divided by 7, that is a basic fact. And 35 divided by 7 is 5. And if we think through, if maybe we rounded this instead of thinking 352, what if we did 350? Then we know 35 divided by 7 is 5, and then there's one more 0. So our estimate would be about 50. And number 7, 8,214 divided by 9. If I'm looking here at this 8,214, this 82 is awfully close to a number that is divisible by 9, and that would be 81, right? I'm going to go ahead and replace those with zeros. If I think about rounding this number to 8,100, I can divide that by 9. We have a basic fact of 81 divided by 9, which is 9. And then we have 2 zeros left. So we put 2 zeros in our quotient as our answer at the end. And it is about 900. Okay, so for questions 8 and 9, you are asked to find two estimates that the quotient will be in between. That means we need to think through how we could round this number, maybe by rounding it down to the lowest place. Here we're going to look at the hundreds place, and then rounding it up if we were rounding that hundreds place number up. So 510 divided by 6. If we keep this 5 the same when we round it, it would be 500 divided by 6. And then if we were to take this 5 and round it up, it would be 600. Oops. Divided by 6. And then we could think through finding where the quotient is going to be in between those two amounts. Okay? Let me help you get number 9 set up as well. 2,945 divided by 4. I might need to look here at this 29 and think through maybe a number before 29 that's a multiple of 4 and a number after 29 that's a multiple of 4. So I know 4, the multiples would be 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. So I could think through 2,800 divided by 4 and use my basic fact. And then the next one would be 32, so it would be 3,200 divided by 4, and I could use a basic fact to know the two amounts that it will be